effective ways to overcome overweight and obesity. In this video, we'll provide you with some practical tips on how to achieve a healthy weight and maintain it in the long run. We understand that overweight and obesity can be challenging, but with the right approach, you can overcome them and enjoy a healthy lifestyle. So, let's get started. Understand the risks of obesity. The first step to overcoming overweight and obesity is to understand the risks associated with them. As we mentioned earlier, obesity can lead to several chronic diseases, including heart disease, stroke, diabetes, and certain types of cancer. It's essential to realize that being overweight or obese is not just a cosmetic concern but a health risk. By understanding the risks, you'll be motivated to make changes in your lifestyle to achieve a healthy weight. Consult a healthcare professional. Consulting a healthcare professional is a crucial step in overcoming overweight and obesity. A healthcare professional can assess your weight, provide you with the right information about healthy weight management, and help you develop a personalized plan that suits your needs. They can also provide you with guidance and support throughout your weight loss journey. Set realistic goals. Setting realistic goals is an essential aspect of overcoming overweight and obesity. Many people make the mistake of setting unrealistic goals, such as losing a significant amount of weight in a short period. This approach can be counterproductive and lead to disappointment and frustration. Instead, set realistic goals that are achievable, such as losing 1 to 2 pounds per week. Setting realistic goals will help you stay motivated and on track towards achieving a healthy weight. Increase physical activity. Physical activity is an integral part of achieving a healthy weight. Regular exercise can help you burn calories, boost your metabolism, and improve your overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise per day, such as brisk walking, cycling, or swimming. You can also incorporate strength training exercises to build muscle mass and increase your metabolism. Adopt a healthy diet. Adopting a healthy diet is crucial for overcoming overweight and obesity. A healthy diet should include a variety of foods from all food groups, such as fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Limit your intake of processed and high-calorie foods, sugary beverages, and alcohol. A registered dietitian can help you develop a personalized meal plan that suits your dietary needs and goals. Practice mindful eating. Mindful eating is a technique that involves paying attention to your food and eating habits. It can help you develop a healthier relationship with food and reduce overeating. To practice mindful eating, eat slowly, savor each bite, and pay attention to your hunger and fullness cues. Avoid distractions such as TV or smartphones while eating. Prioritize sleep. Getting enough quality sleep is essential for maintaining a healthy weight. Lack of sleep can disrupt the hormones that regulate hunger and satiety, leading to overeating and weight gain. Aim for 7 to 8 hours of uninterrupted sleep per night, and create a relaxing sleep environment by avoiding electronic devices before bedtime and keeping your bedroom dark, quiet, and cool. By prioritizing sleep, you can support your weight loss efforts and improve your overall health. Manage stress. Stress can be a significant factor in causing overeating and weight gain. When you're stressed, your body releases a hormone called cortisol, which can increase your appetite and lead to overeating. Therefore, managing stress is an essential aspect of overcoming overweight and obesity. You can manage stress through various techniques such as meditation, yoga, deep breathing, or other stress-reducing activities. Surround yourself with support. Surrounding yourself with a supportive network can make a significant difference in overcoming overweight and obesity. Friends, family, or a support group can provide you with motivation, encouragement, and accountability. They can also help you stay on track towards your weight loss goals by providing healthy meal ideas or workout partners. Stay motivated. Staying motivated is crucial for overcoming overweight and obesity. Weight loss is not always a linear process, and there may be times when you face setbacks or plateaus. However, it's important to stay focused on your goals and remind yourself of the benefits of achieving a healthy weight. Celebrate your small victories along the way and stay positive. Congratulations! You've learned 10 effective ways to overcome overweight and obesity and achieve a healthier lifestyle. Remember, it's not just about losing weight, it's about adopting a healthy lifestyle that you can maintain in the long run. We hope this video has been helpful, and we wish you all the best on your weight loss journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more health-related content. Thank you for watching.